guys, my name is AB and today I am going to compare and show you the list of best robot vacuums available in the market right now. And if you have not decided yet and have so many questions related to robot vacuums, then no issue. I have prepared a list of best robot vacuums and the product selection is based on research, review and real user feedbacks. So you can be certain to choose from the list and buy the best product of this year. Furthermore, I have provided the product links below in the description so you can check more details if you want. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. This is Prosonic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It has 2 hours of running time and has the wattage of 28 watts. It has the capacity of 0.6 liters and the noise level of this vacuum cleaner is 60 dB. It will take around 3 to 4 hours to charge and you can control this device using buttons, remote, app or voice command. And the special feature of this vacuum cleaner is you can vacuum and you can mop also, and the product will cost you around 429 dirham. At number 5, it is Xiaomi Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. It has the run time of 60 to 130 minutes with the wattage of 40 watts and the noise level of this product is 50 dB. You can control this device using either app or voice command, and the special feature is that you can vacuum and mop the floor using this robo vacuum, and the product will cost you around 820 dirham. At number 4, it is iRobot Vacuum. Runtime is 90 minutes and the capacity is 0.6 liter. It takes 3 hours to fully charge. It comes with the voice assistance feature, so you can command this product using your voice, and the special features are 3-stage cleaning function and it is compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa enabled devices. The cons of this cleaner is that you can't mop the floor using this vacuum cleaner, and the product will cost you around 1000 dirham. In my list at number 3, it is Eufy Robot Vacuum. Eufy Robot Vacuum Cleaner has the run time of 100 minutes and the wattage is 40 watts. It has the water tank capacity of 0.6 liters with the noise level of 55 dB. You will also get 1 year of warranty on this product, and you can command this product using app or voice command. This also supports Google and Alexa. It has special feature of self-charging and Boost IQ technology. It can increase or decrease the speed according to the floor type and the dirt. And this product will cost you around 700 dirham. At number 2, it is big surprise. It is Roborock Vacuum. Robot Vacuum Cleaner has run time of 150 minutes. Wattage is 52 watts and it has the dust bin capacity of 0.46 liter and water capacity is 0.29 liters. You can control this device using app or voice command, and it is also compatible with Alexa. It has a special features of vacuuming, mopping and self-charging. It is not budget friendly option, that's why it will cost you around 1500 dirham. And in my list on the top, it is EcoVacs Robot Vacuum. It has runtime of 110 minutes with the wattage of 40 watts. It has dust capacity of 0.43 liters and the mop capacity is 0.24 liters. It has noise level of 66 dB. It takes 4 hours to charge fully and you can control this device using either app or voice command. It is also compatible with Google and Alexa. It has a special feature that is Osmo mopping technology and smart navigation 3.0 laser technology. It can navigate the floor itself, and this product will cost you around 1400 dirham. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.